Meaning of Earl Warren.
Earl Warren.
Earl Warren.
Earl Warren.
Earl Warren. Earl Warren was an American jurist and politician who served as the 30th Governor of California and later became the Chief Justice of the United States. During his tenure as Chief Justice, he presided over several landmark cases addressing civil rights, including Brown v. Board of Education. Warren was known for his progressive views and his efforts to promote equality and protect individual rights. He played a significant role in shaping the modern legal landscape of the United States and is widely considered one of the most influential figures in the history of American law.